Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. Today we will talk about listening marking criteria. I will show you how marks are distributed in the listening section. Now, as you on your screen, the first one is write from dictation. As you all know that write from dictation is very important as it contributes 29 marks to our listening marking criteria. So I suggest you to please keep practicing WFD. The person who struggle in listening is because of the write from dictation, because write from dictation contribute a lot of number in listening and as well as in writing also. So make sure that you practice each and every day of WFD, nearly 50 to 60 or 100. Now moving to the second topic, which is summarize spoken text. Summarize spoken text contribute 4 marks. The marks can vary up to questions, that how many questions are coming in the exam. So this is an assumption I am telling you. The third section is listening filling the blanks, which also contribute nearly 4 marks, 4-5 marks. Highlight incorrect word, 4-5 marks. Highlight incorrect word also contribute to our reading section. Which I have written in the bold letter are very important, and which I have written in a small letter are not so important. Okay, so these 4 sections are very important as they contribute. WFD contribute 29 marks. Summarize spoken text contribute 4 marks, listening filling the blanks contribute 4 marks, highlight incorrect word contribute 4 marks. And you can see MCQ single, MCQ multiple, highlight correct summary, select missing word. These are not important. Only 1 marks. Sometimes it also not contribute 1 mark. So leave that. I don't recommend you to spend more time, doing these, so you get good marks. Now repeat sentence is also very important. It is important as compared to the WFD. So make sure you do practice of repeat sentence as it also contribute towards your speaking section. So please make sure you every day practice repeat sentence because it also contributes 30 marks in listening. Retell lecture, it contributes 10 marks. Very good, very effective. And last but not the least, answer short question, it contributes 5 marks. So this is how your marks are distributed in the listening marking criteria. So make sure you do practice every day, write from dictation and repeat sentence every day. If you don't have time to do all the section, please do write from dictation and repeat sentence every day so you get your desired score. So thank you and have a nice day.